at all the friends you have, Sammy. Feed the peacock. Feed the big bird. What did you do? I didn't do a damn thing.
That's the best. Hey, Grammy, you having a good time?
No, I don't like fluttery things. Okay, I'm gonna put this down.
If you put it down, they'll go.
Feels so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling a little uncomfortable.
Oh my God.
How nice they were.
Relax. Just one.
Hey, man, put your arm up here on your shoulder.
Okay.
Okay.
You go, Grammy.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! The best video ever! Look at it! Look at it!
You might turn this on by yourself, go ride when we're home, honey.
They're so much fun, Coco.
Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Is this your friend? Is this your friend? Give her a kiss. Hey, that's not a kiss.
What was it? It was a bird.
They are. Oh. They're fighting.
Hold on.
Wow. Oh my God.
Do you want grandma to come to the house? For real, that's how you feel about grandma?
Mom.
Don't say that. Sophia, you agree?
Mom.
Moncho, you too? You feel about grandma like that? Say hi, grandma.
Hurry up, go see Papa. Yeah, come on. Come on, Papa. Yeah, up. Hurry. Yeah, go see Papa. Yeah, come on. Come on. All right. Come on. Yeah. All right.
They should scare the ducks.
this. Look at that Alfred Hitchcock movie, Birds.
Those Oreos. Where did they go? Go away. Ready? Whee!
Oh my god! Look at all those. They like you, Joe. I think one did poop on me. We'll clean it up. This is crazy!
Oh, really?
No, I think we're wrong.
It was the other bird's problem. Oh, and you told him to go away? Oh, okay.
Is now weighing in, blasting Senator Al Franken after a woman accused him of forcibly kissing her during a USO tour before he was a senator. But the president has remained silent on Roy Moore. How does the White House explain this? And by weighing in, does the president make himself vulnerable? Here's ABC senior White House correspondent Cecilia Vega tonight.
Good.
Oh, hi, Jim.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh, good.
You working? Are you working your core?
Oh,
Hello.
how are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, good.
Oh boy, why don't you look at me?
Sophia has a new level unlocked. She likes to ride the trash can.
I know, I've been gone all day. I know. I haven't been home. I know, I haven't been home all day, but I'm home now, and it's time to go to bed. I know.
Joe wanted to fly in my face.
Well, why would he fly in your face?
Oh, he's closing his eyes.
Hey, shoo.
What's happening?
They're eating in here.
They're eating worms.
And then
Quit it.
chill.
There's no worms. Okay.
Yummy
This is not fun.